Hello everyone, we are going to make today citrus bioenzyme by using lemon peels which I collected for 3 to 4 days, right? So for that now, first of all we need soda bottles, any soda bottles. Please don't take this kind of Bisleri bottle. It is not easy to manage enzyme in those bottles. So start filling it up. What we have to do is we need three things, right? Water, any vegetable peel, and jaggery, good. Okay, that is what we call in Hindi. So the proportion goes like 1:3:1. One portion of water, 3 portions of vegetable peel, and 1 portion of jaggery. So what I am going to do is, you can see that I am filling it up, and I'll fill it up till not fully, I'll just fill it till 3/4 portion is left. See, still I am left with these lemon peels, and I don't throw even these rotten lemons. I never do that. It is better that you cut them into small pieces if you are doing it for the first time. For me, it is easy because I am used to of putting these even the big peels into the bottle. But it is better you cut it into half, cut it into pieces, I mean to say. And those who don't know about bioenzymes, you can Google it, and I'm sharing the link also in the description. You can check out. Okay, and when you will start using them, and you are actually, if you love to contribute, or you want to give back to the nature, and you are looking for ways to reduce waste, bioenzymes are the best way to do that. Okay, so try it. It will give you amazing result. Fine, you can see that I'll see, even I use old bottles. Fine, I never throw them. I have used it since it's been 3 years. I'm using all these things. So I keep using the bottles. If I have any these kind of bottles, I keep using these bottles. See, all peels are done now. I filled them. Now I will fill it with tap water, normal tap water. Please don't take RO water. Okay, and see, we are filling it up, and leave 3/4 part of it. 3/4 part you will leave. See, one portion, 3 portions of vegetable peels, and now I am adding jaggery. See, the jaggery I am adding. Jaggery will do the job actually. See, I am used to, I just fill it like this. There is an easy way as well. You can take the jaggery, and you can soak it in water, and then you can put that solution also into, and then I usually write the date and write what it is, because it takes 3 months time. It takes 3 months time, and then the enzymes are ready. See, I have various. Now I'll show you my bioenzyme. See, I have this rose enzyme with me, and chili garlic I just showed you. This is marigold. It has wonderful usage. Okay, and see, I use all the bottles, whichever I have, these even small ones, whichever comes, the jars. I usually fill it with the citrus bioenzyme is my favorite. Rest, what I do is with these mixed peels and all, I use for plants, cleaning vegetables, fruits, rose, marigold, neem enzyme. All these enzymes I use for bathing. Okay, and cleaning the floors. There are a lot of things. Once you will start it, you will come up with such wonderful ideas. This chili garlic which I was showing you right now, I use it for spraying on the plants, and I don't use any kind of pesticide. I just on the plants I use only this thing, chili garlic spray. I'll show you, I'll make a video and I'll show you that also. Hope you liked it. Please hit the like button if you liked it. Thank you.